Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Gismawati with ID study number A231-20066. Today we gonna to talk about quadratic equation. Okay, this is the first slide about definition of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation: an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 with a, b, c are real number and a not equal to 0. This is called quadratic equation in variable x. In the quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. X is the variable, a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a type fixed or constant. For example, x squared plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. The value of a is 1, b is 3, and c is 5. Next, finding the roots of the quadratic equation. To find the roots of a quadratic equation, we can do in three ways, namely factoring, completing the square perfect form, using the quadratic formula or formula ABC. Okay, the first way is factoring. Example, suppose we wish to solve 3x squared equals 27. Solution. We begin by writing this in the standard form of a quadratic equation by subtracting 27 from each side to give 3x squared minus 27 equals 0. We now look for common factors. By observation, there is a common factors of 3 in both terms. These factors is extract and written outside a pair of the brackets. The contents of the brackets are adjusted accordingly. 3x squared minus 27 equals 3 times x squared minus 9 equals 0. If two quantities are multiplied together and the result is 0, then either or both of the quantities must be 0. So, either x minus 3 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. So that x equals 3 or x equals negative 3. Next, completing perfect square. The quadratic forms that must be understood are ax plus b square equals c. To complete this form, use the following property of the square root. Square root properties. If m and n are real number, m square equals n square, then m equals n or m equals negative n. For example, find our solution from the equation x plus 3 square equals 25. Solution. X plus 3 square equals 25. Square root of x plus 3 equals positive or negative square root of 25. X plus 3 equals positive or negative 5. X equals negative 3 plus 5 equals 2, or x equals negative 3 minus 5 equals negative 8. So our solution set is negative 8 and 2. The equation in the example above tend to be easy to solve because they have quadratic. On the basis of the above thinking, the quadratic equation of the general form can be solved by completing the square. Next, quadratic formula or ABC formula. Consider the general quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. There is a formula for solving this. X equals negative b positive or negative square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. It is so important that you should learn it. Next example. Suppose we wish to solve x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0. Comparing this with the general form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, we see that a is 1, b is negative 3, and c is negative 2. These values are substituted into the formula. Okay, we will substitute into the formula. X equals negative b positive or negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a equals negative times negative 3 positive or negative square root of negative 3 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 2 over 2 times 1 equals 3 positive or negative square root of 9 plus 8 over 2 equals positive or negative square root of 17 over 2. So that was my presentation about quadratic equation. Thank you and don't forget to like and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.